Lawmakers in both the Senate and the House of Representatives have expressed strong support for President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s call to remove system loss charges from electricity bills, which signals a unified effort for passing legislative reforms and addressing the rising cost of energy. Val Custodio tells us more in this report.
Kung pagbawas ng presyo ang usapan, sa aking palagay, panahon na para tanggalin na natin ang systems loss na pinapasa sa consumer.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. received the longest applause, cheers, and standing ovation after making that statement during his fifth State of the Nation address or SONA yesterday. According to Senate Majority Leader Juan Miguel Zubiri, he was among those who stood to applaud the president's directive to remove the system's loss charge as well as related taxes from the consumers' electricity bills.
Pag tinignan niyo po yung electric bill, makikita niyo ang laki ng charge mo na systems loss. Pag tinanggal yan, malaking diskwento po yan. As Majority Floor Leader, I guarantee you, we'll get the best and brightest on top of it. Yung chairman namin ng Committee on Energy, ang magsusponsor po yan at ipapasa namin sa lalong madaling panahon.
Members of the House of Representatives also expressed support for passing legislation to implement the president's proposal.
Lahat tayo ay nagbabayad ng ating electric bill. Tama naman din talaga na panahon na para tanggalin yung system loss na ipatong sa mga consumers, no? Silang magbabayad nito.
In line with this, lawmakers also agreed that the Electric Power Industry Reform Act or EPIRA law should be amended.
Definitely magkakaroon ng review talaga ng EPIRA law, and I think it's high time kasi pare-parehas lang dumadaing lahat ng Pilipino, most especially electric bill. Kapag hindi natin na-address itong energy generation, energy distribution, there is no way by which we can address the increasing cost of electricity.
Tignan na rin yung iba pang aspeto ng EPIRA para maamyendahan ito o di kaya ay palitan ng isang batas tungkol sa energy.
In an official statement, House Speaker Faustino Boji III said the President's SONA will serve as Congress' guide in deliberating on measures aimed at easing the burden of Filipinos, including proposals to reduce taxes and lower electricity rates. These said, the House is ready to prioritize measures that will expand the income tax exemption for workers earning up to 350,000 pesos a year, reducing income taxes for other employees, provide relief to small businesses by exempting them from minimum corporate income tax, and implement a tax amnesty covering certain unpaid taxes and related penalties. Meanwhile, lawmakers also voiced their support for the President's stand on the West Philippine Sea.
Kumayo din ako nung sinabi niya na ang dignidad ng ating bansa ay hindi dapat may sakondisyon, hindi po tayo rasista, hindi po tayo unggoy. Hindi ka nga ang sinabi niya. Ako po ay natutuwa nung binanggit po niya yan. At itinayo ng dangal ng ating bayan.
Magkaisa tayo na kinakailangan ang Pilipino taas noo. Huwag tayong papayag na niyurirakan ang ating dangal.
Val Custodio for the Nation.